Hello everyone and welcome to the review of the Oclean X toothbrush. This is a Sonic model, and Sonic means that it's not a regular motorized brush that cleans your teeth, but actually the bristle here will vibrate so fast that it kind of produces ultrasounds, or it has an ultrasonic movement that will actually remove a lot of deposits from your teeth that usual toothbrushes will not remove. So let's take it out of the box. Nice thing about this toothbrush is the fact that it comes with not only a screen, but it's actually a touch screen. It has only one button here to operate, and if you turn this on, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Let me try to focus. So you have a menu that you can browse through. So it has various things here, and you can scroll up, down, left, right, and each of that does various function, and you can adjust things such as strength of brushing. This has 32 levels, which is amazing for brushing your teeth. It has a lot of things here. It has various programs, you can adjust the duration, and it has a gyroscope that knows the position of the toothbrush, and while you are brushing it will know that you have brushed your teeth, and which of them and in what direction. And you can go to the app, because this has also an app, and in the app you can set up various brushing patterns, and this will advise you how to brush and where to brush and where you have missed a spot. And it has a lot of predefined plans such as strong whitening, super whitening, sensitive cleaning, gentle teeth spa, and gum care cleaning, braces cleaning, strong cleaning, super cleaning, and so on. And you can go on how to use, and it explains you each step. So 30 seconds you need to brush on your left cheek, 30 seconds again on right cheek side, and so on, and explain you each of the steps and how to clean. And the toothbrush kind of knows if you have brushed in that area or not, which is kind of complicated for a toothbrush, but it knows, and it will give you some scores. And if those programs are not for you, you have here more programs, a lot more programs, and if those are not okay for you, you can go on customization and build your own program. So you can select as many steps as you want, and you can choose the working mode such as clean, whitening, massage, or sensitive, and then the duration, and then 32 levels of sensitivity, of action, not sensitivity but actual motor power. And this is amazing. You can create whatever you want with it, and for a toothbrush it's really complicated. And also you have a lot of other options such as overpressure protection, guided mode, uh, and let's see, firmware upgrade. Yes, a lot of upgrades here, but luckily I'm running all the latest version, so I don't have to do that right now. And you also get information for this is my device, and toothbrush language. There are a lot of supported languages for the app, which is really nice. And what's Oclean library? 10 fun facts about teeth, plaque cavities, dangers of not brushing. So this kind of comes with an encyclopedia of about oral hygiene and how to protect your teeth. So it's a really nice app, and has this nice dashboard. Looks like Xiaomi's Mi Home app, something like that. And this will show here the total duration, effect, days of usage, and reports, and you can update that. It's very easy to connect to the toothbrush. You don't have to do anything. Just turn on the Bluetooth GPS and the app will guide you how to pair. This has Bluetooth low power, so it will connect to the toothbrush right away without even pressing the button turn it on, which is really nice. And the toothbrush, when you turn it on, makes this noise. So it's a lot more silent than a regular toothbrush, and you can see it varies the noise that it's doing based on the position, as it knows that you are brushing your teeth like that, or you are trying to brush like that or like that, and it's changing the plan and the power output in regards with the chosen plan that you have selected in the app. Alright, and let's see what else we get in the box. So if we remove this, there's a docking for the toothbrush, and it charges with regular contacts. It has double-sided tape, so you can fix this somewhere so it will not move around. And these are the charging contacts, just like that. And it also has some kind of magnet or thing that it's holding it down. And here it should be an USB port for supplying power. Let's see. Yes, it's a micro USB port. And what else we have in the box? In the box we have a cable, so it does not come with its own charger. It only comes with a USB cable, and you need to supply your own charger to use with this. But nonetheless, it's a noodle type of cable, which I like because it doesn't get all rounded up and impossible to untwist. They have this nice resistance of getting them untightened really well. So that's actually cool. And there are some manuals. It's the most weirdest looking book ever that I have seen until now, the form factor, and shows us a lot of stuff of how to use it, and it's in several languages, and shows how to brush, so it's really useful. And look at those pictures. It even explains you the angle that you should hold this and how to brush in various positions. Really nice to have. And this one is for charging wall magnet sticker, so you can use this, and this is the charger. Also, you can access most of the functions from the touchscreen of the toothbrush, so you can change the settings from there. So I hope that you have enjoyed this review, and there are some things that I want to tell you more about this kind of toothbrushes. I've recently did a review for Socas toothbrushes, and if you search on the internet about the Socas toothbrush, you are going to see that it's actually one of the first and probably the only toothbrush that has a demonstrated effect in laboratory use, and the claims that say tell you are true, that it really whitens the teeth and removes plaque and improve general aspect of your teeth. They are a kind of concurrent company with Oclean. So Oclean had really good starting campaigns such as Kickstarter or something like that, so have a lot of fans, and they developed the most advanced Sonic toothbrush with all that settings and customizations, while the Soka, sorry, got that certification of medical use, which is really important. So either you choose this or that one. That one doesn't have so many features, this one has a lot more features, and the rest of the specs are really similar. You can also check my review of that other toothbrush, but both products are excellent. So until my next review, see you and bye bye.